always
trying to stop. I was like hard on the brakes and it wasn't really doing anything.
So I just had another thought. I think it takes away some of your brake boost if you like feather the left foot brake too, right? Like just before.